So what I think is Tom Thurston, Jim Riley, Joe Zilli, Harry Race, Bernard LaChance, DJ Dave, Pearly 2.1, Elton Anderson, Don Wiley, GPS Paso, Robo Rapist, Night Red Randy, Ray Gordon, and Ellery, Jim Hall, Bill Duvall, Doug King, Jim Hall, Bill Duvall, in your team for the third consecutive time. I think some of you came through and ruined the Disney experience for the Hiltons, Bowmans, and Kennedys. Pretty blatantly obvious. And they came through and destroyed their Disneyland, Disney World, and the Super Judah World. What you guys are doing, though, is making it empirically easy for them to take over and rule your lives. And African Americans, when you run this way and you have a made-up story, Jamaica Street, it kind of means you guys are kind of in their stuff, making it difficult. And so Laurel Knight and Harry Joe, Pickett Street, Jamaica Street. If you wanted it hard, I think she's giving you all a hard time for it and making it empirically hard for you, Karen Fauster, Country and Western and Ghetto Life, Negroes and Country and Western and Carnies, because you guys probably took their stuff or Greg Faust stuff or the Schwartz's stuff, and I would have kept with the Super Judah Disneyland and the SeaWorld and the fun stuff, because that seemed to be the better one until, Harry and Joe and whoever decided to take it over. And so, if you guys like it the hard way, I think those girls are giving it to you guys very, very difficult. And take over your lives for a third time. So, help the Superati chick always. And, I don't know. Maybe some people are getting sick and tired and bored of football and stuff. So, I don't know. I think when the girls had it, I would have kept it that way because they were happy and they were willing to do stuff for you all. And now, well, if you come through and you're trashed the Hiltons and Bowmans and the Kennedy City and whoever else, guys, come on, dude. Of course they're going to give you guys a hard time, GPS Night. Because a group of you came through and grifted them for the easy zombie make a mess way. And like I said, there's probably stuff set in before that. So if Ellery and Joe and them got a hold of that stuff and you guys did your own little thing, Joe would go, oh, well, Joe, maybe not everybody wanted that. And to be all screwed up Country and Western, Karen. So maybe they're going, knock, 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 Karen, knock, 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 knock. We're your relatives and we know. Like Holly and Amanda too. Knock, 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 we know. Knock, knock, knock. Instead of this bullshit story you got going on, Harry and Joe, Bernard and Ellery and Roble Knight, to justify your need to steal other people's shit and then try to control them with it. So like I said, this is kind of a checks and balance for them. Because if you guys take it and you guys carny mode their city all out, Bernard, and they didn't want carny in it, they wanted it so it's decent and nice for the Disneyland kids. We kind of know who the heroes have always been, is the kids and the mummies that you guys held hostage here for Country and Western and Ghetto Life, Negro, and, carny mode, Bernard. And not everybody wanted to be carny carved by you, Bernard, and a torture chamber shop set up in their, city. So like I said, Bernard, if you give the military and the police and the firefighters and, the FBI, CIA and those whole groups a hard time when they know there could have been a better time, who's the dumb one? So, Religious Cult and Telemat, Stolen Rainbow, Haven's Gate Boy, Bernard, or Jones Townsers, or, Branch Davidius. As fools rush in, Bernard, and your 3-time performance of grifting and lying and being violent in cities where there's children in hospitals, Bernard, is not the smart way to go. Nobody cares about how fag you are, Bernard. Just like Joe, I told him from the beginning, how stupid are you? Nobody cares, dude. It's just another way for a dominant male species to get their way instead of using their brain. So if you like to work hard and make it difficult, Joe, Harry, they made it hard for you, and also to prove how dumb it was what you guys did and your excuse for doing it.